Here we go. For Tippler world out there. My ATU brothers. Tippler people or bird people around the world, period. Showing y'all what we got already, I was telling my dudes, I really popped off with the Prince this year. Big Ralph, what you think? Yellow Caps won. Told you I was going to shoot you a little video today. I got more in the coop. This video one, I'm going to go show you. Oh, the other ones are small. I saw 4 of the other big ones on my Prince side. These are the ones I kept just to play with for right now. Y'all see that one right there? Oh, just got to give it a little more time. Look at the one right behind it. Look at the faces, guys. Look at those eyes. Feel me? Look at that, guys. Look at complete problems. You know what I mean? Had to breed a couple, so we can have some fun. The ATU Prince were really low last year. I became the Grizzle King. Quick last year. This year I'm gonna have a lot of competition there, but this is all I pretty much got too. Guys, don't kill each other. Pretty much, I got another one flying. I got that little dun right there, flying. That was a nestmate right there. Oh, the light just went bad on me. I get him down right here. That's the rest of the crew. We ain't even gonna go in the coop yet. We'll show y'all a quick little video on a few. But y'all see, I didn't even pull everything else out. Look at all the duns and the blues and the checkers and the laces and. This is part of it. Like I said, this is my flying team right here. As y'all see, these are my soldiers. Got a lot of bird people in my area, so really don't spray it. Guys, pigeon people around the world, I don't know if y'all know, this is the best shit in the world. So I'm on the backyard, I gotta keep my shit fresh out here, and shit kills everything, my nigga, even HIV. Y'all super dirty motherfuckers, and this shit smells super great. You get that shit right there, motherfucker, Home Depot, Odor Man. Comes like 10 flavors. Super good, my nigga. Even kills bugs. I use that shit in the coop, outside the coop, everywhere. Great disinfectant, nigga. Show y'all a couple over here. My black family right there. I raised that plain head out of her, put it back on him, and then I get all the blacks and reds that you'll be seeing, like that red hen right there. I raised that out of her. A couple more young birds. Cold weather popped up again. Get back to the matter at hand, man. Get back to the matter at hand here. See how people know how we do it over here. Oh, powder silver dun, people. That's why I put that one in there. You don't know what a powder silver dun look like. Look, man. All these birds gonna be problems. October, November, December, guys. It's coming. Alright? So you already know. Here's your boy King. King's Catch Key. I'll let y'all later. One.